Okay, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. If you remember, in previous classes, we talked about three grammatical categories: noun, pronoun, and adjective. And we discussed that each category has got its own function. The har yo category khpal yo kar de munga which the noun kar badai che de bamuta name khai. So any word cha ga munta name khai naming word we aga bamung the noun pa category kya chu. Ba pa sentence ke the noun khpal yo function da bamung later on inshallah discuss ko. Then we talked about pronoun. The pronoun the category da karo che it replaces a noun. Da ba the noun pa zay band istemali ki noun ba replace ki. So any word cha aga noun replace ki aga bamung pa kam category kya chu aga bamung the pronoun pa category kya chu. Third, we talked about adjective and we discussed the adjective kar baracha sari the noun ya the pronoun sara de bamuta the noun ya the pronoun pa baraki information rakhi. So any word cha gamuta the noun ya the pronoun pa baraki information rakhi, we call it adjective. Now we are moving to fourth category of parts of speech, that is verb. Remember, it is somehow the backbone of English sentence. The sentence backbone de bilkul the dena baghair aam taur che kam proper munga grammatical sentence te aga na shu construct kawali na shu joda wali. Hoige? So verb is actually the major component of a sentence. The sentence is your major component. And now what is a verb? Any idea? Staff sir, idea sta? Okay, very good. A word that shows an action, state, or existence of being. सही ना, state और condition somehow they are similar. मामूली फ़र्क पके दे. Existence मौजूदगी, state हालत and action कार यो कार चे कम सो कई यो action कई यो अमल की. For example, if I say I'm speaking, I'm standing, I'm walking, I'm running, I'm talking वगैरह, that all actions दी. सही ना, talking, running, speaking, listening, jumping, swimming वगैरह. No, that all जमूं सरसरी actions दी. So these are what we call verbs. Similarly, state or existence the deda paramunga yo type of verb istemalu che we call it linking verb or state verb. Aba mungta da cha halat khayya barata existence ki. For example, if I say Ali is walking. Now in this sentence Ali is doing an action. Ali yo kar kai lagya de, and that is walking. No da zamu sara show, da zamu sara verb show. But if I say he is young, now here he is not doing anything. Sakar na kai se action dal taki nish zamu sara. होइगे जे सिर्फ दागा पे मौजूदा टाइम के दागा चिकम स्टेट या कंडीशन दे आगा बयानम ची ही इज यंग, ही इज इन लाइक इन एज दैट इज यंग ची आप दे हालत के लिए यंग दे या जो में ही इज इल सपोज. अगेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट हिज स्टेट और कंडीशन. जे अगर कंडीशन पे बारे के खबर कम च कम कंडीशन के इल दे बीमार दे. या इफ आई से ही इज in the class, again he is not doing anything. असकार न कही, अमल न कही, एक्शन न कही, जो सिर्फ दागा मौजूदगी बयान कम जाए करे पर क्लास के लिए. he is at home पकोर के लिए. होएगे नो दा इज दल दे के जमा सर पदी कम सेंटेंसेस के लिए पर दुआओं के दामात सखी दामात दागा मौजूदा हालत या दागा एग्जिस्टेंस मौजूदगी खई. और पर फर्स्ट सेंटेंस के वॉकिंग कम लफ्ज दे जमू सरा दामू तदागा ची कम एक्शन दे आगा खई. क्लियर दे. नाउ we can divide the verb into two major categories, that is main verb and auxiliary verb. Now the main verb is further divided into two major categories, that is action verb and linking verb or state verb. Then an action verb we have two further categories. They are transitive and intransitive. Verb वर्सरब तासु लिखली शे. And in these both we may have regular verb and irregular. Similarly, here we have two further categories in auxiliaries. We have primary auxiliary or we call them helping verb, and we have modal auxiliaries. We'll discuss them one by one. So here one by one discuss kau. So first of all we have main verb. دا مونږ چې کوم ډیفینیشن لیکلی دا اصل کې زموږ سره د مین ورب ډیفینیشن دی. صحیح ده چې هغه ورب چې هغه مونږ ته یا اکشن ښیي یا سټیټ یا ایگزیسټنس. نو په یو سنټنس کې دننه چې کوم مین ورب دی هغه به دا درې فنکشنز دي چې دی به مونږ ته اکشن ښیي، سټیټ به ښیي یا به زموږ سره چې کوم ایگزیسټنس دی موجودګي هغه به ښیي. کلیر دی؟ اوس په دې کې زموږ سره اکشن ورب ما تاسو ته وی چې any word any verb دا چې تاسو ډیفینیشن لیکلی شئ a verb that shows an action. action verb مونږ کوم یو ته وایو؟ هغه لفظ هغه verb چې هغه مونږ ته څه ښیي؟ action راته ښیي، کار. like I told you I am standing, I am speaking, you are listening, we are taking class. پوهیږئ؟ they are running, they are playing cricket. دا ټول زموږ سره څه دي؟ دا زموږ سره actions دي، کارونه دي. نو چې هر هغه لفظ چې هغه مونږ ته دا کار ښیي، action راته ښیي، دا به زموږ سره څه action verb وي. کلیر دی؟ Now, per action ke danna we have transitive. Now, what is a transitive verb? Remember, if I say I am eating, tasu pe zehn ke ba sawal razi, what are you eating? Sakhre. I'm writing. What are you writing? Salike. Poige? No zamung sara de writing ya the eating mana chi da gana clear kigi, pura kigi na. Incomplete meaning wi. Wale? Because we need an object to complete the meaning. If I say I am eating, what are you? I'm eating an apple. An apple zara walam no zama sara the eating mana shi pura shi. If I say I'm writing, what are you writing? I'm writing an essay. I'm writing a letter. No che a letter ya an essay ya a paragraph da sara ulaguma zama sara the writing mana shi a complete shi. So such verbs che age ta the object zarurati the object na baghair aga khpalam mana ya meaning pura no work we call it transitive verb. Age ta mung sawayu transitive verb. So a verb that needs an object to give complete meaning. For example, Mata Sutuvi, I am writing, I'm writing a letter. So, the writing dalta ke zamu sara sasho, that is transitive verb. Wali the dina pas a letter chiri da zamu sara object te or the letter na bagair bada de mana incomplete wi. Poige? But if I say I am standing, do I need any object? The object zarurat shta? I am laughing, I'm running, I'm swimming, I'm sleeping. ضرورت نشته خپل معنا پوره ورکړي بغیر د object نه. نو زموږ سره بل قسم verb چې دی هغه intransitive دی چې a verb that does not need any object to give complete meaning. For example, I am sleeping, running, walking, smiling, laughing, standing, sitting. Okay? No, that all zamu sara shu, da zamu sara intransitive verb shu. So that's the major difference between transitive and intransitive verb. Clear? Yes, sir. Any confusion? You may write. صحیح ده مونږ صرف